Hey everyone, welcome to this hackathon. For this hackathon, I have made a Java project travel and tourism management system. Here I have used Java AWT and Java Swing in this project. For Java, I have used Apache Netbeans. Let me open this. In the project section, here you can see a project folder. Inside this folder, in the source file, all codes is present. Here you can see the splash folder. These are the code for this project. You can see in this folder. Now for database, I have used MySQL workbench. Let me open the workbench first. Here is a folder, you can see database. Let me run a query from the database. I have to first start the database. Let me start it. Now the database is started. Now if I run any query, you can see there are the table present to store data. These are the data storing table. Now let me run this code to start the project. When run, first there will be this kind of animation, then after some time there will be the login page appear. In the login page we don't have any account right now, so we will go into the first of all we will see the workbench database account section to see is there any account present or not. You can see the table is empty, so there is no account present. So when I create the sign up button, a new page will appear. Let me create a account by giving the detail. Username is this username will be unique. Suppose I give the password, and there will be a security question. This is a drop down list which I created using Java. This question will be used to retrieve your password. Suppose I give the question is favorite language, programming language, and answer it's like suppose Java. Now when I create this create button, there will be pop up that your account created successfully. When you click OK, then this page will be closed and will redirect it to the login page. For password, forget password, suppose we forget our password, so we'll click the forget password button. Then here will be given our username and search. All the data from the database will be retrieved here, and when we'll answer the question of the security question which I have said Java, then retrieve, our password will be shown. This data cannot be edited. These are fixed. We cannot edit this data. When I'll click back button, we will redirect it to the login page. Now let's see our database that our account is created or not. When I run the query again, here you can see that our username, name, password, security question and security answer is present. Now let's log in into the page. I have given the username and password. When I'll click the login button, here in the down you can see the welcome username, and then there will be a loading animation. This is the main dashboard of the project. In the left corner you can see different buttons with different functions. In the right corner there is a logout button. Let's say add personal details. In add personal details, we have to fill up the details we want to use. Here is a ID section. Here we can choose any ID. Suppose I choose Aadhaar card and give the number hypothetically, so it is not correct. Now for gender selection, we have to keep in mind that the name, username and gender is not changeable. We cannot update them. Now let's fill the form. Address as Kolkata, phone number suppose this I have given. Now email address, suppose I have given demo@gmail.com. Now we'll add this data to database. When we'll click add, this page there will be pop up that customer details added successfully, then this the page will be closed. After clicking OK, we can view the details here, and in using this button. When we click this button, the view details section will be arrive, and for backend we want to see there will be when we run this query, we can see all the details I filled right now. This data has been fetched from the database, and it is shown in the view details section. Now suppose I made a mistake in creating the putting the values. So if I want to update the details, so there is a section update personal details. When I'll click this, there will be another pop-up, and in the right corner you can see every time there is another image, different image. I've used different image for this project. Now here we can update this section in the box, but we cannot update name and gender and username. So suppose I want to change the email address from demo@gmail to subham@gmail. When I will click update, there will be pop up that personal details updated successfully. When we will click OK, then we can see the details using in the view details section again, and you can see email has been changed. In the database you can also see when I run the database again. So let me run it. The email has been updated here. Now there is delete person. We will see that at the last there is check package. In the package there you can see 3 package section in the top: package 1, package 2, package 3, and they are individual buttons. When click, the package changes. In the book button, when I click, there are 3 types of package. They are hypothetically, so these numbers are not correct. It is a demo project. When we click book button, there will be book package option. If I click back, it will be, and in the left panel there is also book package section. So that page can be accessed through there also. Suppose I want to take the gold packet for 3 peoples, and the ID number, phone number are automatically taken from the database. If we click the check price, the total price for 3% has been calculated automatically. If I click book package, there will be a pop-up that book package successfully. In the database we can also verify that when we run that command, the table is filled with the data that golden package is selected for 3% and the total price is this. Now we can also view the package from user can also view the package from the dashboard, and this will be the section, and all the details from is getting fetched from the database. Now view details, it is one kind of slideshow. Now all the pictures are changed, and the name are also changing dynamically. So let's let the slide finish. We'll wait until then. Now the slide is finished. There is a section book hotel. Book hotel, there are some hotels in the list. We can take any hotel, choose the person, how many person want to go. In the database, these are entered through the list has been fetched from this database. The table name is hotel. Here I have given this count person, AC room, food included, and this price as hypothetical. Now let's fill this. Total person is suppose 3, number of days 2. Suppose I want AC room. There is an option of non AC also, but I want AC room, and food is included. Then when we click the check but price option, the total price will be calculated, and if we this calculation is done through these prices. And if we see the book hotel section, this is empty right now, but when we will click the book hotel, there will be pop up, do we want to book this hotel? If we click cancel, that it will be cancelled, or no, it will be cancelled. But if we click yes, then the hotel will be booked. If we click cancel, the pop-up will be closed. So let me fill the details again. Suppose the Taj Hotel total person is 3, number of days is 2, I want AC room and food included. Check price, this will be the total price which is calculated in the backend. Now if we click yes, the book has been booked successfully. Now if we check the database and run the query again, and we can see the details in the database: username, the name of the hotel, person, days, AC, food, ID number, phone number, and price. We can check the details from here, view book hotels, and the details of the hotel booked is displayed here. Then there will be a section of destination. This is all kind of slideshow like view hotel section. Let's wait until the slideshow is ended and enjoy the view. Now the next section is payment section. Here is 2 button, one is back and pay here. For back button, the pop-up will be closed like this. Let me open the payment section again. But when we click the pay now button, pay here, if we click that button, we will be redirected to the Paytm payment page. It is the actual working page, and it is fetching the data from the actual Paytm website, but it is a actually HTML page, so it's not so beautiful like the actual website because the CSS is not displayed here, but it is a actual working page. We can payment here also. We can pay by giving the data here, but I will not suggest to pay through this because it is an actual website. Now there is two section. One is note calculator. If I want to calculate suppose something, so we need not to open the Windows calculator. If we click the button calculator, it will automatically click the Windows default calculator. This is the default calculator inbuilt in Windows. We can calculate anything from it. Let me close it, and here is another section, notepad. Notepad is used, suppose I want to note anything while booking the package, we can note anything here. It is also the default notepad of Windows. Now the last section is about section. Here is the description of this project is given. Every details of this project is given here. Now previously I have told there is two button we have to discuss, delete, update and logout. For logout, if we click logout, our date there will be a pop-up if we want to log out. If yes, then we will be redirected to the login page. For logout option, our data will be saved. No data will be deleted. Whatever data we have entered, every data will is in the database. Let us check it first. That when we will run the query, every table you can see is filled. For book, let's check for book package. The table is also filled. For customer also the table is filled. You can see every detail is present. So let me log in first, then we'll discuss for login also. If we click login, the same animation came again. In the dashboard there is another section, delete personal details. We have talked that we'll discuss it later. So that the difference between logout and delete personal details is, if we click delete person, every data will be deleted from the our database and the program will stop running. And for login button, the program will not stop and data will be safe in the database. So let's delete this our data. If we click delete button, there will be three options. If we click this yes button, there will be delete status. If we click okay, then if our program will run stop running. So let's click okay. When we click okay, our program is stopped. In the Apache we can see that the program runs total 14 minutes 4 seconds. We can see that in the Apache Netbeans. Now let's check the database. Now if we run the same query again, we can see that tables are empty for every package. Like let's check for book package, the table is empty. You can see for book total, you can see the table is empty. For accounts section, you can see the table is also empty. Now this is the project I have made. Hope you like this project. You can find the project. Hope you like this project. Thank you for watching this video. I am once again telling, I have used Java AWT and Java String for this project, and as a database I have used MySQL. Now you can get the code for the project in GitHub. I have uploaded the project in the GitHub also, so you can find the project in the GitHub. You have just open your any browser and you have to search this URL, which is github.com/shubhamsaha9. This is my GitHub profile, and here you can see travel and tourist management system repository. Here there will be a src file. Inside the src file, all the icons are also given here. The icons I have used, I have uploaded into the GitHub. I have not uploaded that database here, but you can create database by yourself. And this is the main file. Here you can see a file cone.java. This is the main file which is used to may build the connection between Java and the database. Using cone.java, this is the code for cone.java. Using this code we can connect database now means MySQL with the Java code. And Here in this file you can see there is I have written enter your password. So this is the local host of where our database is running. For there you can see if I have written enter your SQL password. Inside the I have to put my actual password. I have not given my actual password here inside, but you can give your original password. Hope this you like this project. Thank you for seeing it.